Happy summer, everybody. Mark Catape here, and today is the new beginning of the Out of School Vlogs, the summertime series where we bring you locations, better editing, and a better viewing experience. Let's go right here, right now, at the place that made me famous, the Disneyland Resort. So on the last day of school, apparently now that there is Game 6 of the NBA Finals, let's check that out at the ESPN Zone.
0 for 7 from downtown. That was a team, Golden State 7-28.
We are now headed to the top of the Mickey Fence parking garage to go ahead and take a look at an update on Star Wars Land construction. Here we go. Gets too dark. The construction process of the Star Wars Land. So here we are, here on the stairs. Now, there's like you can't pick it up, but there are gates over there. Those gates, that is the Rivers of America. So the railroad will come behind the fence. There's a chain link fence there, and it'll go right around there, and then there will be like a huge waterfall, making it so nice, perfect, and beautiful. And all of this area right here, protected by the trees, this is all gonna be Star Wars Land. And I don't want to say anything, but I believe that this path right here, the one that's lit up, that path will probably become the new walkway to there from Hungry Bear. But yeah, it's a pretty cool view up here. I'll come back next week and why not do another one? So thank you for watching today's first out of school vlog. Happy summer to everybody. Happy FDOS. First day of summer. It's gonna be a great one. I'm Mark Catape. Subscribe, like for more.
Thank you.
Yo,
for your safety, remain seated with the doors closed.
Oh my God.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo